all about volcanologists. Do you like to learn about the world? Do you want to travel to faraway places? Are you good at science? Do you think rocks are cool? If you answered yes to these questions, then you might want to think about a job as a volcanologist. A volcanologist is a scientist who studies the formation and activities of volcanoes. It is an exciting and interesting job that can save people's lives. Active volcanoes are ones that erupt in recent times and are expected to erupt again. There are active volcanoes all over the world, including in Indonesia, Guatemala, Russia, the United States, New Zealand, Italy, and Iceland. When a volcano erupts, hot lava comes out of the top. Lava is a rock that is so hot it is liquid. It is hot because it comes from deep inside the Earth's crust. Studying volcanoes is important because scientists want to know more about how they work. Volcanoes cause a lot of destruction. People who live near active volcanoes can move to safety if volcanologists can figure out when the volcanoes will erupt. Getting the right education. Volcanoes are a link between the Earth's surface and its inner structure. By studying them, volcanologists learn about the powerful forces at work inside our planet. These scientists recognize the different types of volcanoes and understand the role they play in the process that shape Earth. The rocks on and beneath Earth's surface are another important source of information for volcanologists. To become a volcanologist, you would have to take a lot of science courses, including geology or earth science. Plus, you would need to study math. You would go to school for a long time because you would have much to learn. You would need to study hard and to do a lot of research. Here are some things fully trained volcanologists do for their jobs. 1. Live in a tent for about 3 months each year. The rest of the time is spent in the laboratory. 2. Set up special equipment to make observations and collect information about volcanoes. 3. Use computers to study the information and draw conclusions about it. 4. Write and deliver research papers to share the information and conclusions. 5. Read other scientists' research to keep up with the latest ideas. Tools of the trade. Volcanologists want to learn everything they can about volcanoes. They spend a lot of time near them during their fieldwork. Volcanologists take many rock samples as part of their fieldwork. They use rock hammers to chip off bits of rock. They look for igneous rocks that may have been formed the last time a volcano erupted. Igneous rock is lava that has cooled and hardened. Back in the laboratory, volcanologists use the electron microprobes to study the rocks they find. These instruments measure the amounts of different chemicals in the rocks. Volcanologists also take core samples. These are samples of rocks from deep beneath the Earth's surface. Core samples let volcanologists see the kinds of rock that are inside the volcano. Volcanologists measure the tiny movements of Earth near the volcano. To do this, they use tools called seismic monitors. Movements might be a sign the volcano is about to erupt. Volcanologists also study the gas levels around the volcano. Changes in the amounts of different gases are another clue about when a volcano might erupt. All this information helps volcanologists learn what happened when the volcano erupted. They use this information to make educated guesses about the next time the volcano might erupt. Excellent. Go through and answer the questions about the key details in the text. Remember to refer back to the text if you need to. Good luck.